Page 664, number 1. We are asked to write the sum using summation notation. So in order to write the sum, we have to have a pattern, or the expression that tells us how we get from one term to the next. So what you are to notice is that every time we're adding 6. So that makes it an arithmetic sequence. So we can use the formula we have for an arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So in this case, our first term is -7, and every time we're adding 6, and when we simplify this, we get that a sub n equals 6n minus 13. So now we can use our summation notation. So we're taking the sum from k equals 1 to some number which we'll have to find, and our expression is going to be 6n minus 13. Now to find how many terms we have, since they're not all written out, what we can do is use our our arithmetic sequence and set it equal to 53 and solve for n. And when we do that, we get that n is 11. So now we can finish our summation notation by saying k equals 1 to 11 of 6n minus 13.